we are trying to match the real Hoover killers in town. On Hoover.
Oh, gee, look,
Yeah, it's Hoover Killer Crip Mac. On Hoover. That's what. Hey, how you doing now? Can I go ahead and grab some tacos?
I'm fine.
You said what? You from where? Yeah, let's go to the store.
No, they good.
Oh, all right. I mean, all right, Cole. Neighborhood Crib. I don't play Cole listeners. I do my thing out here. All right, what's going on, Grape Street? Yeah. Oh, neighborhood Crib out there. Oh, all right, Cole. Hood. I said Cole. Oh, Hood. Oh, goddamn. All right, can we got some tacos? Oh, yes, everything's well.
Everywhere, great food, we everywhere.
Yes, sir.
Let's go ahead and get let me get 5 chicken tacos, whatever China Mac want. That's my home boy. And my King 5 fingers for you.
We good.
That's gonna be $10, my friend.
Oh, that's a nifty on Hood. Hey, and here's a nifty nickel for you.
Yeah, you got that.
You can go ahead and grab a couple beers.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it.
No problem, man. No problem.
All right.
Oh, Mick. Oh, my God. I've been working out. They don't want destruction.
You want a green or red salsa?
No, I have old English. Let me get some red salsa, some green.
There we go.
Oh, God.
Be careful, you say, huh?
Look up. Come on, cuz. Yeah, it's real. Yeah, on Hood. So what about 5 minutes? Appreciate it, on Hood. I said, you. Oh, goddamn. But you know what? When you go different places, you know, you got people like Milk that come out different places. But they hide on the couch and they care. We really out here. So, you.
That's for the local gift.
Huh?
For the local gift.
No, we got some we got to do. So
You're
yeah,
gonna
5 go,
walk in, eat it?
5 go Hood.
All right.
Oh, Hood. We're trying to we're making
put
some
the
great
glasses?
increments, huh?
We put the glasses.
Oh, they're in your car. No, I got
Nah,
them.
just
I
took
got
them
'em.
off.
Oh. I did want to take them off. Come over. He sound like he know them niggas because how he made his voice. They're like, oh yeah, 5 show. You hear me? But you heard how he said it.
Yeah.
I'm not finna play no games. So now niggas that tell niggas, people say, all right, try to have us get by the car. I say, you from where? Come on.